Stevland Hardaway Morris, born May 13, 1950, known professionally as Stevie Wonder, is an American singer-songwriter, musician, and record producer. He is widely regarded as one of the most influential musicians of the 20th century and is credited as a pioneer and influenced by musicians across a range of genres that include R&B, pop, soul, gospel, funk, and jazz. A virtual one-man band during much of his peak years, Wonder's use of synthesizers and other electronic musical instruments in the 1970s reshaped the conventions of contemporary R&B. He also helped drive such genres into the album era, crafting his LPs as cohesive and consistent, in addition to socially conscious statements with complex compositions. Blind since shortly after his birth, Wonder was a child prodigy who signed with Motown's Tamla label at the age of 11, where he was given the professional name Little Stevie Wonder. As a teenager, he established himself as one of Motown's most successful acts, known for his excited harmonica playing and high-pitched singing in songs, including uptight "Everything's Alright," "I Was Made to Love Her," "For Once in My Life," and "My Sherry Amour." His single Fingertips hit No. 1 on the Billboard Hot 100 when he was 13, making him the youngest solo artist ever to top the chart. Wonder's critical and commercial peak termed his classic period 1972 to 1976. Began with the albums Music of My Mind and Talking Book 1972, which abandoned the Motown sound in favor of a synthesizer and keyboard-driven one. With Innervision's 1973 fulfilling his first finale 1974 and Songs in the Key of Life 1976. He became the first black musician to win the Grammy Award for Album of the Year and the only artist to have won the award with 3 consecutive album releases. During the 1970s, he scored the U.S. #1 single Superstition, You Are the Sunshine of My Life, You Haven't Done Nothin', I Wish, and Sir Duke. In the 1980s, Wonder achieved international cultural presence, with high-profile collaborations notably with Paul McCartney and Michael Jackson, television appearances, charity work, and political influence, including his 1980 campaign to make Martin Luther King Jr.'s birthday a federal holiday in the United States. Hotter Than July 1980, the soundtrack album The Woman in Red 1984, and In Square Circle 1985 all peaked within the top 5 of the Billboard 200. Ebony and Ivory, I Just Called to Say I Love You, Part-Time Lover, and That's What Friends Are For all reached #1, making him the first act to top the Billboard Hot 100 in 3 consecutive decades. Wonder returned to the top 5 with his latest album, A Time to Love 2005, and he has continued to remain active in music and political causes. Wonder is one of the best-selling music artists of all time, with sales of more than 100 million records worldwide. He has won 25 Grammy Awards, the most by a male solo artist, and an Academy Award. He has been inducted into the Rhythm and Blues Music Hall of Fame, the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame, and the Songwriters Hall of Fame. He ranked in the top 10 on Rolling Stone's lists of the greatest singers and greatest songwriters of all time. In 2009, Wonder was named a United Nations Messenger of Peace, and in 2014, he was honored with the Presidential Medal of Freedom. Believing himself to be of Ghanaian ancestry, he was conferred Ghanaian citizenship in 2024. Wonder was born Stevland Hardaway Judkins on May 13, 1950, in Saginaw, Michigan, the third of 5 children born to Lulame Hardaway, and the second of Hardaways to children with Calvin Judkins. Wonder was born 6 weeks premature, a condition that, along with the oxygen-rich atmosphere in the hospital incubator, resulted in retinopathy of prematurity, a disease that aborts eye growth and often causes the retinas to detach, which left him blind. When Wonder was 4, his mother divorced his father and moved with her 3 children to Detroit. Wonder attended Whitestone Baptist Church, where he sang in the choir and became a soloist at age 8. His mother later rekindled her relationship with her first child's father and changed her name back to Lula Hardaway, and had 2 more children. Wonder began playing instruments at an early age, including piano, harmonica, and drums. He formed a singing partnership with a friend. Calling themselves Stevie and John, they played on street corners and occasionally at parties and dances. When Stevie was signed by Motown in 1961, his surname was legally changed to Morris, which, according to Lulame Hardaway's authorized biography, was an old family name. Wonder attended Fitzgerald Elementary School in Detroit. After his first album was released, The Jazz Soul of Little Stevie in 1962, he enrolled in Michigan School for the Blind in Lansing, Michigan. Personal life. Wonder has been married 3 times. He was married to Motown singer-songwriter and frequent collaborator Cy Rita Wright from 1970 until their amicable divorce in 1972, after which their musical collaboration continued. From 2001 until 2015, he was married to fashion designer Kai Millard. In October 2009, Wonder and Millard separated. Wonder filed for divorce in August 2012, and the divorce was finalized in 2015. In 2017, he married Tommy Cabresi. Wonder has 9 children with 5 women who were born to Yolanda Simmons, whom Wonder met when she applied for a job as secretary for his publishing company. Simmons gave birth to Wonder's daughter Aisha Morris on February 2, 1975. She is now a singer who has toured with her father and accompanied him on recordings, including his 2005 album A Time to Love. Wonder and Simmons also had a son, Kada, in 1977. In 1983, Wonder had a son named Mumtaz Morris with Melody McCulley. Wonder also has a daughter, Sophia, and a son, Quaim, with a woman whose identity has not been publicly disclosed. Wonder has 2 sons with second wife Kai Millard Morris. The elder is named Kayland, and he occasionally performs as a drummer on stage with his father. The younger son, Mandla Cad J. Carl Stevland Morris, was born on May 13, 2005. Wonder's 9th child, and his second with Tamika Robin Bracey, was born in December 2014 amid rumors that he would be the father to triplets. This turned out not to be the case, and the couple named their new daughter Nya, meaning purpose, one of the 7 principles of Kwanzaa.
For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs.